Okay, now we are discussing about numericals. There is number one numerical. It says that a crowbar has a length of 1.5 meter, which is used to lift a rock of weight 1500 Newton. The weight of that load is 1500 Newton. Your load is rock. If the rock is at the distance of 0.5 meter from the fulcrum and the effort is applied at the distance of 1 meter from the fulcrum, calculate the effort needed to lift the load. Here we have to find out the required amount of effort. How much effort we need to lift that rock or load. And first of all, we have to write given. What is given here? Length of a crowbar is 1.5 meter. Load is 1500 Newton. If load distance is equal to 0.5 meter, effort distance equal to 1 meter. And here we have to find out effort. Okay, here we have to find out effort. Okay, right is equal to, okay, effort distance equal to question mark. Here we have to find out effort. Now how to solve it? By using that principle of a lever. We know that if there is no friction, then work output is equal to work input. So we can write L into LD equal to E into ED. And we know the value of load. Load is equal to 1500 Newton. Then load distance equal to 0.5 meter. Then effort we don't know. We have to find out this effort. Then effort distance is equal to 1 meter. Now we can easily solve it. When you multiply 1500 Newton into 0.5 meter, it will make 750 Newton meter. Newton meter means joule. Okay. Then we have E into 1 meter, same to same. Then we take this numerical value in this side. Then it was originally in multiplication sign. When you take in another side, it will be in divide. So when we divide that 750 by 1, it becomes 750. Then M cancel out, this meter cancel out, upper meter. Then it will be 750 Newton. So the required effort to lift the load is 750 Newton. Required. So the required effort. Okay. So the required effort to lift the load is 750 Newton. Now next numerical. In next numerical there is given Parveen. Okay. Parveen and Fatima. Parveen and Fatima having weight of 450 Newton and 300 Newton respectively. Your weight of a Parveen is 450. Weight of that Fatima is 300 Newton respectively. Got into a seesaw. They are playing seesaw. If Parveen sat at a distance of 2 meters from the fulcrum, your Parveen sit 2 meters away from that fulcrum. How far should Fatima be seated from the fulcrum in order to lift the Parveen? From here you can understand your Parveen weight is more. So your Parveen become load. Okay. Parveen be load. And Fatima weight become effort. Fatima load become or weight become effort. And Parveen distance from the fulcrum become load distance. Now the question is asking the effort distance. Effort distance means how far that Fatima should sit in order to lift that Parveen. Now first of all we have to write given. In given we have to write weight of a Parveen is 450 Newton and it is a load here. It is a load here. Distance between Parveen and fulcrum means load distance. If Parveen is load, so the distance between Parveen and fulcrum will be load distance. It is 2 meters. And weight of a Fatima is 300 Newton. Here weight of a Fatima is used to lift that Parveen weight, so it is effort. So it is effort. And effort is given 300 Newton. Now we have to find out the distance between Fatima and fulcrum. Fatima is effort. That's why the distance between Fatima and that fulcrum will be effort distance. We have to find out that effort distance. In same formula we have to use here. That is, we know that work output is equal to work input if there is no any frictional force acting on it. So we can write here L into LD equal to E into ED. Then put the value. Load is equal to 450 Newton. Load distance is equal to 2 meters. Effort is equal to 300 Newton. Effort distance we have to find out that. Then when you solve it, 450 into 2, it will make 900 Newton meter. Okay, 900 Newton meter. Then this side we keep same. This side we keep same. Now we have to take this numerical to another side and keep that non-numerical thing in another side, in separate side. Then when we take this numerical value in another side, at that time it was originally it was in multiplication. So when it go in another side, it will be in divide. Now we have to divide this. 900 divided by 300, it will be 3. And your Newton cancel Newton. Remaining is meter. So it become, effort distance become 900 meter. So Fatima will be seated 3 meter far from the fulcrum in order to leave the Parveen. In order to leave the Parveen, the Fatima will seated 3 meter far from the fulcrum. The next one, a crowbar is used to lift a load of 300 Newton. A crowbar is used to lift a load of 300 Newton by applying an effort of 80 Newton. By applying an effort of 80 Newton, it was trying to lift the load of 300 Newton. If the load is lifted up to 0.05 meter and the force cover the distance of 0.25 meter, here you have to calculate MA, BR and efficiency. MA, BR and efficiency. And you can clearly understand from this picture also. Here you can see, here a person is applying 80 Newton effort and he is lifting that 300 Newton load. He is lifting 300 Newton load. And here you can see, when he apply the effort at that time, the crowbar move a distance of 0.25 meter. And while this crowbar move 0.25 meter, in the effort side, it move 0.05 meter, 0.05 meter up in the load side. Okay, load side. That will be distance travel by load, and this will be distance travel by effort. Okay, another also it is given there, distance between effort and fulcrum, distance between that load and fulcrum. Here why 2 value are given. Here 2 value are given to make your concept clear, that we can calculate the BR by using 2 formula. Okay, 2 formula. One is by using that distance travel by effort and distance travel by load. One is that. Another one is gap, length between that fulcrum and effort. By using the both value, we can calculate the BR. For example, BR can be calculated by using this. Okay, like 0.25 divide by 0.05 it gives 5, BR 5. As well as when we put another value, that is distance between that effort and fulcrum and load and fulcrum, like 0.5 and 0.15, it will also give the 5. Okay, it will also give the 5. Now we'll solve it. Okay, now look here, we know that MA is equal to load by effort. Load is 300 Newton, effort is 80 Newton. So we got 3.75. BR means effort distance by load distance. We know that BR means effort distance by load distance equal to 0.75 meter by 0.15 meter. It will give 5. Then we know that efficiency is equal to MA by BR into 100%. Then we got 75%. When you solve it, then we got 75. And alternatively, we can do like this also. BR is equal to distance travel by effort by distance travel by load. Then we put the value distance travel, how much distance they travel when the effort is applied. Then we got the BR same 5. Then we can calculate that efficiency by another formula also, that is output work by input work. Output work means L into LD and input work means E into ED. And how we calculate that output work is equal to L into LD. So L is equal to 300 Newton and that load distance. Okay, load distance, how much did they move? There will be 0.05. So we got 15. And input also same thing, effort into effort distance. Then we got 20 joule. Then we got 75%. So now you are learned 2 that ways of finding that efficiency and BR.